Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, link in the description.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So hey guys, this is a Ford Endeavour test drive. This is a Ford Endeavour test drive. So this is a Ford Endeavour test drive performance. Let's check. Horn is large enough. So this is a 2-liter engine and it's a diesel variant and it's automatic vehicle. So the power of the vehicle is 167 bhp of power at 3500 rpm and 420 newton meters of torque at 2500 rpm as Ford said. So massive enough, and see the size of the vehicle, humble size and huge size. Sitting inside the vehicle is like driving a mini bus. So height of the vehicle is very nice and ground clearance is huge. It's a massive compact SUV we can say. So nice refined engine. It's a 2-liter engine now. So the fuel capacity of this vehicle is 80 liters, and it also get 4x4 drive and 4 modes in this vehicle. So this is a heavy competition to the Toyota Fortuner, and lot of stuff and information given in this vehicle, and very refined engine. This is a diesel variant but also very smoothly upshift of gears. So now I'm in the drive mode. Let's change the mode and see. This is a normal mode, activation, and snow mode, drive mode, and shock absorbers are nicely performing of this vehicle. Excellent shock absorber performing, and suspension is very nice overall. Brakes are too good, on offer 4 disc brakes, and the tire profile is 18 inches as we know already, and massive enough of this vehicle. So in city rides on metropolitan cities, some difficult of handling this, maneuverate this vehicle, but in highways and long journeys it is very easy, and nice performance, nice excitement of driving this vehicle in long drives. Brakes are too smooth I can say. So it is no feel and feedback and no vibrations at all as in the Fortuner vehicle. There are a lot of vibration in Fortuner. This is very refined engine, 2-liter engine. Steering feedback is very nice, and front has a sensors. So 80 liters of fuel capacity tank is massive enough of this vehicle, and mileage is around 8 to 10 kilometers per liter we can expect of this vehicle of 2-liter engine. So dashboard is very nice, overall treatments is very nice, very refined engine. Price segment is also, comparison to other vehicles, this is better I can say. Ford has been done very nice, and Ford engines are very nice. Till today Ford engines are, some of other companies are taking Ford engines only. So this is reliability of Ford engines. So let's check the turning radius of this vehicle. very difficult of turning radius in this vehicle. So it's more than 5 meters of length of this vehicle, so some difficult in riding in city rides. So if once you are habituated to this vehicle, it's very easy to ride and one overheat, so nothing much of scared to drive this vehicle. Horn is loud enough. So 420 Newton meters of torque, it massive enough of 2 liter, done by the Ford at 3500 RPM. Power is very nice, and in the mid range the vehicle is very nice compared to low and top end speeds. Top end speeds at above than 100, it will be nice stabilization of this vehicle in highways, and it's not at all struggle of vehicle to pick up the, and overall nice done. 4 modes. So now I have changed into snow mode. In snow mode the vehicle is the performance of the vehicle is some decreased to compare to drive mode. So it's a snow mode. Obviously the power of the vehicle, it's completely to the tires, and snow mode is also very nice. It's only uses in snow mode. So no sounds, engine sound into the cabin. Nice fit and finish of cabin, I can say. So now I have changed into the sand mode activated. In sand mode also it is struggling the engine to give a better performance, and overall giving a better performance 2 liter engine of Ford. And last mode 4x4 lock is required. So now in the I'm in the normal mode. So there are 4 modes: snow, sand, so gear shifting is smooth only, but in some city rides it is some difficult of gear shifting, but in highways it is very nice performing. Smooth shift of gears in when you are running vehicle. So overall this is a test drive of Endeavour, very nice performing. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow my Instagram, link in the description. Soonly I will review the Endeavour in off-road. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.